So it is evening time, and today is Saturday, and I brought from market jalebi. You can see, and we are going to eat it, and just it is so tasty and delicious. So you can ask me where am I? So today I am at Zoleshwar in at our shop, and we are here. You can see we are three brother here, me and my small brother and last one also. We are all here. So we are working all day in our shop, and right now we are free. And I am also trying to record myself. And today my voice is not perfect. I don't know what is the reason, and I am feeling little bit nervous and uncomfortable. But as for consistency, we should record every single day because nowadays I am not able to practice any and continue my journey. Just only one hope is remain there. I am also recording and as well as I am also practicing. So this is matter where you are when you will try to everywhere and you will try to practice so it will be easy for you. And sometime we also have a problem, sometime family problem, sometime business problem, but we have to manage our life everywhere.